Stephen, would you say that all cranberry is the same?
No, I would not. The cranberry has different components within. There's juice, which you extract out and you make concentrate from. There, you extract out the juice and you dry that down. You make juice powder with. And then there's those that take the proanthocyanidins, which are very common in cranberry for for the healthy support of urinary tract infections.
The acronym would be a PACS?
Yeah, PACS. And they purify those PACS. So they sell nothing but highly concentrated PACS.
Is that where the nutrients are in the PACS?
Not necessarily.
Okay.
All right, there's more than cranberry than just PACS. All right, so there's proteins, there's fibers, there's a lot of other benefits in cranberry.
Okay.
But then there's the whole fruit powder. So you've got whole fruit, you got purified extracts, you got juice powders that are spray dried, with different carriers such as maltodextrin. We've got then you've got the juice itself, made into concentrated powder. So what we've got here is an understanding that not all cranberry is the same, and each component of that cranberry brings different benefits, and that's just the components within the cranberry. Then there is the problems of educating people on the cranberry itself, that that not all quality of cranberry is of the same.
So what would make quality differ from cranberry to cranberry?
Drying procedures.
Okay.
Using too much heat in the milling or drying of your materials can degrade the actual biomarkers within. Leaving nothing but fiber, that have no benefit at all.
So you'd want to use like a cold process versus something that...
Not necessarily.
Okay.
All right, there's different drying techniques out there. Some use window refractive, some use a fluid bed, some use a drum drying, right? But again, if you dry perfectly and then you go to mill and the milling operation has too much heat in the milling, and that's what turns the cranberry into a finer powder, you'll degrade some of the most important components.